Hey everybody, I'm Jacob Ebelhar. I worked on a team with Stephen Peery and Chris Simpson. Chris Simpson is currently the cameraman shooting this, and Stephen Peery is down here under the desk who will be toggling for our offline mode, aka pulling the Ethernet cord. So, what we've made is an HTML5 web app that pulls the 10 most recent blog posts from 4 of our sites, Tech Republic, BNet, Smart Planet, and ZDNet, and then allows us to access them all on one single page, and then store them offline using WebSQL and local storage, so that we can then access them in an offline state. What we have here in Chrome is the initial page on its own. As you can see down here at the bottom, we have 4 tabs for Tech Republic, ZDNet, Smart Planet, and BNet, which we can go between. And as you can see here, it changes our feed that comes in for the most recent blog posts of each. This is a scrollable list, as is the other 2 that will show up here. By clicking the cool little disk icon here, we can save those to the WebSQL, which allows us to then have access to them at a later date without having to make any kind of requests or anything like that. Once they're here in your user-controlled list, you can either remove them from the list, or you can view them outright in the list over here on the side. We keep a separate list for each individual web app that we're accessing. So here for Smart Planet, we grab a few, for BNet, etc. This is not only a desktop app, but is also a tablet app, which you can see here in our iOS simulator. We have the same access, everything's set up exactly the same to bounce between our 4 sites and pull the feeds in the same. So we'll grab a couple of examples here for each of these. And now, with the assistance of Stephen Peery, we will demonstrate our offline functionality. Stephen? And as you can see, we have an Ethernet cord disconnected, so we have no internet access anymore. When we refresh the page from here, we go into our offline mode. As you can see, we still have everything that's stored in WebSQL that is viewable completely offline through the HTML5's new functionality. We can still access each of the lists that we saved. Each of the lists that we saved individually for each site that we accessed. And back over here in Chrome, we can demonstrate the same thing. So, as you can see, we have full access to everything in an offline fashion for any of the posts that we saved. So, that is our demonstration of HTML5's offline storage capabilities. I hope you liked it.